Here is the weekend blizzard. I am about to go outside just a bit, just going to open the door so that you can get the full wrath of what is happening. I'm not sure how well this will pick up, but I hope it's apparent that we are indeed experiencing some very violent, horrifying weather. Look at how much it's blowing. Do you see the clouds of what appear to be dust but are actually indeed snow? Do you think anyone could survive this kind of weather? I'm not sure. I don't know. The lens is getting quite wet as I'm taping this. Look at that! I mean, if bowling is canceled tomorrow, I'm going to be really mad. Okay, that's all.